What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add your LinkedIn feed to your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's jump straight to the topic. So you need a third-party app. I'm selecting a Sociable Kit, so over here I'm gonna show you all the steps. So basically what you need to do is sign up for free or log into Sociable Kit, create and customize your LinkedIn feed widget and copy the LinkedIn feed widget embedded code. After it, log into your Shopify website admin panel and create or edit a page and paste the embed code where you want the LinkedIn feed widget to appear, save, and you're all done. So basically quite an easy feature. Can you do it? Of course you can. Basically you need to go to the online store, themes, customize, theme settings, and social media. Here you will be able to see new section for LinkedIn. Also you can do it through the Shopify as well. So as you can see, you will need a links over here. So some of the codes you can also go through that steps, or you can use a third-party app as well. So if you have coding, go to your Shopify admin panel, online store, select themes, go to customize and select theme settings and find social media. Here you will be able to see new section for LinkedIn, hence you will be able to add your LinkedIn icon. So basically guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.